Hi guys, and welcome to vlog number 5 of 2021. Ah, what the hell? I thought that was a snake. Holy fuck. A little weekend.
I'm a lady, that's why.
Oh, look at the garland in the background. I love it. Do you guys like this? I love it. Yes, so it is 2 days until Valentine's Day, and we are still doing the secret sweethearts in the family. Sorry I have not been vlogging lately, but this whole family has been going through a lot. Your girl has been going through a lot, okay? I am gonna be doing a Valentine's Day get ready with me. I did a poll on my Instagram because I wanted some Valentine's Day nails. I gave you guys an option of short or long nails and red or red and pink nails. You guys picked short nails and red and pink nails. So I have some red, like this one, and this one, and this one, and these two are pink, and in this one I put some pink glitter on top of it as well. I'll show this in better lighting. But those are my nails for Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for voting in the polls. I don't know why my, my upper lip and stuff has looked so red today. I don't know why. I've been sick today. I had a fever, fibromyalgia flaring up because of the weather here. It's going to be -11. But I do have a few treats to bake for Valentine's Day. I will show you the little decorations that we got. Well, you guys know the decorations we got for Valentine's Day, but I'll show you them actually hanging up. Since my mother is always my Valentine, like I know we're doing secret sweethearts, but that's like separate from Valentine's. I got us matching, well, hold up, matching fluorite wands, crystal towers. They're mini ones, so this is rainbow fluorite. I will put up on the screen what it's good for, and they're just so beautiful. I love them so much, and they are sharp as muff, so if somebody comes near me, bam, that's so good. But I love this. I have it sitting next to my sodalite tower, so yeah, very, very pretty. Okay, so I am currently cleaning out my room once again, and this is my messy side table. I hate it. So let's do a before and after. So I've just been cleaning all day. I stripped my room again like I did in August. Still in the middle of it, but most of it's done. And my mother just got home from the grocery store, and look at what she brought me. This cute little Valentine's Day donut. It's so cute. I'm so exhausted already, and it's only the afternoon. But happy Valentine's Day. This video is going to be coming out after my Valentine's Day get ready with me, which was a total disaster. I lost a little naily. I'm saying. But I'm done editing that video. It's uploading right now, and I should have it out the day after Valentine's Day. Yeah, I'm watching My Bloody Valentine, the original, not the remake, the one from 1981. If you like corny 80s slashers, definitely recommend it. I always watch it every Valentine's. So I'm going to show my complete outfit in this video, but I still have baking to do, and we still have secret sweethearts to do, and there's stuff to do. Dexter also turns 11 months today, which means that next month he's gonna be a year old, my baby. But this is the last time we're gonna do a Dexter turns some odd months, because then it's gonna turn into a year. Oh, I also wanted to clear this up. In my last vlog, when I was showing the Valentine's decorations we got from Dollar Tree, I said that we're celebrating Valentine's Day this year a lot because my therapist said it would be good for me. Okay, let me explain. I have severe depression after the holidays like Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year's, stuff like that, because it's like I like to keep busy. I like to have a schedule. I like to have tradition and everything like that. And I was talking to her about it, how I was so depressed and like getting anxiety because like now I have nothing to look forward to. And I was like, well, there is Valentine's Day, so like what if I like go all out for Valentine's Day? And she was like, I think that's a great idea. So I just wanted to clear that up. It was actually my idea, but she just agreed that it was a good idea. Hi. So this is my OOTD. So I got a little teddy bear with little hearts necklace. I got that from Shop Miss A. Use my link every time you go shopping. I got this fashiony kind of belt on eBay years ago. I got this sweater that I got from Walmart recently, and these leggings. What? Hi, birthday boy. Oh, hi. Did we just wake up from a nap? Yes, we did. So this is what I'm going to be baking. If you guys have watched my vlogs where I've baked, you guys know the Simply Truth organic chocolate chip cookies are my mother's favorite. And we found these, which are the Pillsbury ready to bake heart cutout sugar cookies. So I'm going to decorate these when these are done. We got 2 of those. Let's get to baking. Okay, so this is what we got to decorate with. We got 2 decorating icing, that's what that says, in white and red. They were out of pink, but that's okay. I'm going to try and do like this hack to make a piping bag because I want to like do designs and stuff. Then we got some white sprinkles and my favorite rainbow sprinkles and these very pretty, look at that. I want to put that all over my body and my eyes. These sprinkle pink sugars. We also have some lovely red napkins for the occasion. So the little hack that I'm doing with these, since we don't have any piping bags, but we have Ziploc bags. So what I'm going to do is open a Ziploc. Let's do white first. And we're gonna go all the way into the bag. I'm not even showing on camera. Go in and squirt like that. That's enough for now, just as a test run. And when we are doing it, we're just gonna nip the tip. Gonna do the same with the red frosting. I'm sorry if it's loud at the moment, but the fan on the stove is going to cool the cookies off. So, ooh, this is so satisfying. Okay, so some of the cookies didn't come out quite like hearts, but most of them did. This is just a few of them. I'm doing a test run on my piping. So let's see. Let's try. I'm good at baking. I'm good at cooking. But when you ask me to decorate, that's when we have a problem because I'm not. Yep. Oh, it's already starting to come out. So, I guess we're gonna do polka dots on this one. It's a little runny. So we're gonna do polka dots, but it's working. Hallelujah. Oh, we got a little like this, okay. And done. Oh, yay, it's totally creative. All right, let's do a little bit of the red. See how that comes. Oh, this one's coming out thicker. I think I cut a bigger hole. But this looks cute, I'm not gonna lie. Aww. I tried to make that one a broken heart. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so let's put some white sprinkles on this one right here. and this one. Cute. And then we'll put some rainbow sprinkles on a couple of the pink ones. And this one, why not? It's lacking. And we're gonna put some of this pink glittery sparkle sprinkles on this one. Cute. I love these. These are so cute. Ah, love. I mean, it looks like literally a 3-year-old did it, but you know what? I'm happy with my work. Oh no. So like, these are gonna taste delicious, but I tried to put in an initial for everybody in my family, minus Dexter, because he can't have this. But he has treats of his own because of his birthday and Valentines. Like, it's cute, but like, okay, so we have M for my mom. I tried to do a D for my dad, and the plastic bag broke. So I tried to do an S for my sister, and this K, that's not important because that person's not important. Anyway, so I have a couple more cookies to decorate, but it's fine. Okay, I'm gonna try something because I'm smart. So if we put a little bit of red on the cookie, a little bit, and some white on this cookie, then we should get pink because I'm smart and I know colors. Yay, it worked! So these are the cookies. I'm gonna be honest, I know it's trash, but it's my trash and I actually did a better job than I thought I was gonna do. So here are my mother's chocolate chip cookies, and I totally forgot that I had another plate of just plain cookies left, the hard cookies. So I'm actually gonna wait for my sister, and I want her to decorate them with me because we are a family and I want family time together on holidays. I'm gonna go and give my father his little Valentine's treat bag that I filled up with the candies that I did not eat in my taste test. So these are the chocolate covered strawberries my mom got from me and my sister. So we've got white chocolate, which is my favorite, and we got some dark chocolate going on, which is my sister's favorite. So I'm gonna have the white chocolate ones, she's gonna have the dark chocolate ones. Yay. Oh God, these look so good. So my father made a very yummy, delicious pasta dish for dinner, and we are about to do our secret sweethearts gift exchange. So excited. Look, Samara's is a secret. It's Christmas. It's Christmas.
I need some Christmas.
Let's see your hoodie. Okay, so we just got done doing our secret sweethearts. It was really nice and fun and cute and silly. My mother got my name. Thank you, old goddess. She got me this necklace of Odin's 2 ravens, and they're like in a heart shaped. I love it so much. But on that note, I am going to end this vlog right here, take off all my makeup because it's been on for so hella long, and I am tired as hell. So if you haven't already and you'd like to, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, and subscribe to this channel right now. And become a Blazer and a part of the Blaze Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you guys had a happy and safe and healthy Valentine's Day, or Lupercalia. Sleep. Until next time, my beautiful ones. Stay wicked. 'Cause I am